Yeah, they're crab.
Where are you
Alright, so the first thing we do is move all the rocks so we don't crush them. Move, Hope, yeah.
The crabs are gonna crush.
Watch your hands, baby.
The crabs are gonna crush the rocks.
No, the rocks will crush the crabs if we're not careful. So that's why we get that first.
How old are you, little one?
Now, watch me do it.
Okay.
Okay?
You're not. Look at that one.
Look at all these guys.
Look what they're doing. What
Yep.
are they? It's the crab! Yay! Can I do it? Have a lot of water that they drink.
Oh, watch out, Hope. Baby.
They have a stinkiness.
Okay.
They have stinkiness.
Alright.
Alright.
Watch out.
There's stink.
Oh, back up, back up, back up. Boy. Hold this. Excuse me.
Crab
Back
arm.
up.
Look at the big crab arm right there.
Yep. Now.
One of the crabs broke her. One of the crabs broke. Are you gonna put those things back?
Yep.
So these little guys.
Watch out. I'm gonna get them back.
You little buddies. Now, come on. Can I help? Can I scoop them out in there?
Hold on.
Can I scoop them in there?
No, we're not scooping. Put that down. Just put it down outside. Alright. Digging out more of these little guys. There's one here. See its shell. Just trap them. And in you go. Yay. Easy day.